Okay, it is the 6th of July today, and in this progress report I'll be showing you my new arm section that I built, my other robotic arm that I've built before in a kit, and my track and wheel set right here. I'll be giving a demonstration of that with the remote control. Okay, so here is my new arm piece I've built. I've kept the paper on this as well, so got the labeling on there that I wrote on there. Okay, next I'll be showing you my track and wheel set in action. I've actually set my arm on this thing while I've been controlling it, and it is actually pretty strong. Just done a bit of a bodge job with the wiring just there. Yeah. That's it so far. It's 27 megahertz receiver I've got on there. Right there. Okay, now it's time to have a look at my previously built robotic arm I got in a kit I had to put together about a year ago. Okay, so I'll just this is it. Has a control. That's it there. You have the little switch ring. It's got an LED on the gripper. This is just the that right there. Motor 1 I call it. Wait, motor 4. Give you a demonstration of the LED. Okay, motor 3, which is this one here, and it's the control for it. Okay, motor 2, that's the control, and this is here. It controls that one there. Controls the rest. And last but not least, the gripper. Oh wait, it also has a base gripper as well. The motor's in there. So the gripper. Bit of LED. And the base. Okay, now I'll give a demonstration of this robot arm picking up a screwdriver, which is my trusty pointer screwdriver. It's been a while since I've used it. Swing the base around, bit of LED. Closing the gripper and off. Turn the LED off.